Maha's Kitchen Secrets, I like to prepare food that's healthy, easy, and quick. Today I'm gonna do a really quick butternut squash and black bean burrito. I'm gonna start with olive oil and I'm gonna fry some onions. I've got just a few, maybe half an onion sliced thinly, and then I'm gonna put some garlic. And to this immediately I'm gonna put the butternut squash. I've chopped it into small cubes. Again, it cooks faster. So this will take probably around 10 to 15 minutes. It just needs to brown nicely and be cooked. I'm using black beans which are tinned, but you can use any available beans you have. Salt, pepper, and a bit of paprika. And I'm gonna add some red chilies. I want that little kick. I've got some foil here, a tortilla wrap. This is going to be loaded. I've got some rice. This is just plain steamed rice. If you want to do Mexican style rice, just add some tomato sauce to it and a little bit of paprika, a bit of cumin, and then you've got your Mexican style rice. Spinach, which I love. I'm going to put a lot of this. And it's going to all wilt down, so don't worry. Cheese. I'm gonna put some chopped onions, green onions, and some coriander. And now the wrapping. This is loaded, so I'm just gonna wrap it like this. This is a monster. I remember the first burrito I ever had in Washington, D.C. and it was massive. I had to eat it over the full course of the day to finish it. I'm gonna wrap it with the foil. And that's gonna go into the oven, 180 degrees centigrade for around 7, 8 to 10 minutes. Depends, if it's come from the fridge, 10 minutes. 8 minutes have passed. Fingers crossed, my cheese has melted. Oh, look at that. And there you go, a nice butternut squash and black bean burrito. Perfect for watching the World Cup football.